how you can remove a limescale from your kettle. As you can see, mine is heavily limescaled and I want to remove it. If you check the bottom of your kettle, there are small parts of limescale and we don't want to drink it. So first step is to add a water to your kettle. As you can see, the limescale is on the sides of my kettle, so I want to make sure that it's gonna clean it. And the next step is to add white vinegar to your kettle. If you don't have white vinegar, you can add 1 tablespoon of citric acid. So I'm gonna add white vinegar. It should be fine. And now close your kettle and we want to boil the water and wait until it's done. And now we want to wait 5 or 10 minutes to keep it working and wait until the limescale is removed. After a couple of minutes you can remove the vinegar water and now you can simply clean your kettle from the inside, but don't burn yourself because it's hot. As you can see, I did it. I used simple kitchen wipes and it looks like new. So do it on your own and this is gonna be the result. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.